When it comes to understanding payroll tax requirements at the federal, state, and local levels, you're going to need to get comfortable with a few commonly used acronyms. Federal Unemployment Tax Act, State Unemployment Tax Act, State Unemployment Insurance, and Federal Insurance Contributions Act. Federal unemployment taxes are paid solely by the employer and are calculated based on an employee's wages. To pay FICA, you are required to submit Form 940 to the IRS. Employers who pay employees who aren't household or agricultural employees are generally subject to FICA and required to file Form 940. The IRS website outlines the criteria for who is required to pay FICA taxes. State unemployment taxes are usually paid solely by the employer and are calculated based on an employee's wages. Employees in Alaska, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania are subject to state unemployment tax withholding as well. If you employ workers in any of these three states, you will be required to withhold the tax from their wages and remit these funds directly to the state. SUTA exemptions. Much like with FICA, certain businesses may be exempt from paying SUTA. However, as this is a state-levied tax, the exemptions vary by state. If you believe your business is exempt from SUTA in your state, you should consult an accountant or tax professional to be sure. Unlike FICA and SUTA, FICA taxes that go towards Social Security and Medicare have both required employee withholding as well as an employer-paid portion. With the exception of the Medicare surtax, the Social Security and Medicare contributions are equally split between the employer and employee. There is a FICA exemption, which is when some employees and specific wage types may be exempt from FICA taxes, including non-work income, for example, dividends paid on stocks, interest from investments, capital gains, and pensions, persons employed by a foreign government, students employed by a school, college, or university where they are pursuing a course of study, certain state and local government employees, some non-resident aliens, and members of certain religious groups. Have employees complete Form W-4 so you can withhold income taxes. 1099 contractors will have to report and pay self-employment tax if net income is $400 or more. One surefire way to sidestep these critical tax issues is to use a third-party payroll company like SurePayroll. SurePayroll has run more than 10 million payrolls for U.S. small businesses, and hundreds of our customers have given us 5-star ratings on Google. Contact us today to see how we can help you.